I'm Shari Taynor. I work for White Castle and I am a senior accountant there. So we have about 400 restaurants. Each restaurant had its own individual Excel spreadsheet. As we prepared the files to go out, if we realized, oh, there was a problem with the file, we had to redo every 400 files. So that's one reason that we love Vena so much right now, because we have one template, and if we need to make a change, we can just make a change to that one template, and then it goes to everyone. It's been very nice to be able to go out and see the dashboard, who started it, who's finished it, who's submitted it in. We can see that real time now, where we could not see that before. One thing that we liked so much about Vena was that we could use our existing look of our Excel spreadsheets, so the learning curve for our users was pretty much zero. The customer support team has been incredible along our journey. When you need it and you're there kind of struggling through something, you have a lifeline to reach out to, and that has been a very nice experience.